Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. It's a Saturday today and we are getting prepared to leave because the girls have a photo shoot. My sister's back there tying her shoes. There she is. Hello. So yeah, I just want to show you quickly what we are taking with us right now. So over here, the accessories that I'll be using, like necklaces, earrings, and then over here, okay, this is my phone. Over here, this is my camera that I mean my phone that I use for shooting. It's gonna be a camera soon. So this is the phone that I use. It's a S7 Edge Samsung, and then my U-rig, and this is my big tripod in here. This is the only equipment we are taking with us. And over this side are all the clothes we are taking. Never mind the fact that this is from, it says Vereniging. Anyway, it's from UOFS. But the suit cover is big enough to contain what I want to put in here, which are all of the garments that we are shooting. We are not shooting everything, just, that's everything, and it's so heavy. Yeah, I think we should start going because the shoot starts at 12, but your girl is going to be doing makeup for 30 minutes before then. So yeah, let's go on. Latest. Oh, forgot to show you the shoes. These are the shoes we are taking. I don't want to take a lot. These are the only shoes we are taking. And over here is my makeup kit and my eyeshadows. I'm taking this Juvia's Place palettes. Yep. Hello guys, so we are here for a photo shoot. That is your designer over there. You're vlogging. Taking stuff out, yeah. Taking stuff out of the car. I'll show you a bit of everything when she starts shooting. Yeah. Where can I get ready? And there's our photographer over there. Jane. That's Tess. That's Queen. Tess.
Tabs.
Yeah.
Okay, I promise you, I am not stylish. This is as good as it gets. So to be in front of someone as I'm fashioning, I must admit,
This is you. This is what I'm getting. This shit is slapping.
It's very nice to meet you and congratulations. I don't know if you're trying to come up.
Oh, those are the two.
Yes.
Yes, right? Oh, is it? So, what more young?
But I'm just taking you to the other rock.
We could do it all night. We could go all night. Do we heal? Do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so
The fact that I have to use my phone as the mirror right now, it's the ghetto.
This is for you.
Thank you so much.
Yo, what a nice thing to do. I'm going to tell you it's around 16.
Yes, like a.
This is really, really cool, you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, so too much.
When they go together, oh,
Yeah.
nice. They complement each other.
Yes, very lovely.
It's stunning.
So I hear people say, nah.
Are you guys like part of the
thing?
thing?
Yours. Let me see.
Are you part of the broadcasting?
Nah,
Yeah, we understand. But are you like, is Is it part of your like products, the things that you produce?
I keep collaboration with
Oh, okay.
Building each other up.
Okay. So what's your value? Look at this. Kuena Mosheshe here. You are a photographer at Jane.M.
Of course.
Yeah.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the 70s. You gotta pray for enemies with jealousy, they only feed off the good-hearted. Just don't bargain, stay in your lane and keep hogging. Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. Put your all in, keep calling, keep going, don't stall it. Don't fall for what they all been dishing out. Just be yourself and it'll work it out.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. Yo, living in doubt could be the death for you. It's only a few that'll rep for you and rarely ones that'll step to you and let you know where you wrong at instead of letting you ride away in your soul. Rather be whole and pure in my spirit. This life never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't wanna share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah, to make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere. Yo, we
They get our son and he latched.
taking the stairs, don't let them get in our air. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers. Living now. They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again, I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now.
I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me working 9 to 5 just to make it out. And now the dark nights got me needing mouth to mouth. Resuscitate my dreams, tell me what it's all about. I wonder if it's worth living now. They told me show a little skin just to make it out. They told me grind until I doubt, till I reach the clouds. Excuse me a little moment while I break out. Never let them take me out. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up. Meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on high. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Next look, guys.
Time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Oh, that's dope. Do that and you win. Ah, this is fella. There we go.
Ooh. Play 4, it's up.
I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in
This again, I'm telling you, when are you having a photo shoot course? We need to do this.
Put together the coins.
you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now, everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby. Now I believe you and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8:00, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back, right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time.
Look, guys. Okay guys, the shoot is done. Here's Tony over here. He's preparing to go to another shoot. Say bye to my people.
Oh, bye. Sorry. Bye. Hello. Bye. Bye.
And what's your Instagram handle?
Jane.M's future husband.
Yo, fight him. Oh my goodness.
Tony.
Yo, fight him and future husband. And yes, Kuena over here. And she's in the dark. There we go. I'll put her handle over here too. And
Not much to follow with
your
me, so
editor.
follow her.
And the editor. Bye guys.